guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexis here, coming to a brand new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the brand new iPhone 8. I got the 8. Yes, you guys, I have the 8. I've had the 8 for like a month now. I got it early December and it's January now. I'm going to show you guys the phone. This is the 8 Plus. I have the color silver, as you guys can see. Yes, I'm making myself nervous holding my phone like that. And we're gonna pretty much just go over like what comes with it and like is it a good phone to pretty much buy or whatever. So this is the box right here. This it's the same basic white box that all iPhones come in, but some iPhones, I think the black ones come in like a different color. The box is like a gray. Oh shoot. The box comes in a grayish box, and yeah. So of course we have the phone here. And the difference from the older iPhones is that this one, the back, the logo, it used to say stuff like right there, as you guys can see. Hopefully it's in focus. But usually they have stuff at the bottom, but it's gone. It just says iPhone. I mean, it's pretty clean. And the Apple logo on the back, many people say that this isn't on the outside anymore and that it's, I guess they put the glass over it so it won't scratch or something, but I don't really know the difference. It looks the same to me. Never really paid attention when I had my other phones. Then again, I had the gold and the rose gold before, so yeah. This is the charger. It comes with the charger, your USB cable cord, same charger that we all have if you have the iPhone. If you guys know, it comes with the box part also. Yes, so if you wash yours and you get a new iPhone, yeah, you'll have another one. Then we have our Apple earphones, but this one is different, of course, because of, as you all may know, they changed the little jack thing or whatever. So you have to have earphones that have an the little USB part now. And of course, if you have the 7, I think that it does that too with that one. So, yes, and the back comes with an adapter. Mine's is right here. It comes with this little thing. You plug this part into your phone, and if you want to be like on the aux or something, or if you have any of your old previous Apple earphones that you want to listen to, you can use that. That's what I'm doing right now, because obviously I still have other Apple earphones that could still be put to good use. So, I mean, why waste earphones? Now we're going to talk about the quality. Oh yeah, and it comes with this little thing right here. This obviously comes in all of the iPhones. You have like, I guess it's like a manual or something. Welcome to the iPhone little things. And these little stickers, obviously. Maybe I'll put one on my laptop one day, who knows. You have that. And so we're gonna go into the phone. This is my phone, as you guys may see. I have basic backgrounds and wallpapers and all that good stuff. But as you guys can see, the quality is beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Same little stuff. And obviously I have my passcode and I have my ID. And pretty much it just opens normal like a regular iPhone. Of course, now that the phone is longer and bigger, it has more, and you can of course flip it. Like I said, if you have a Plus, you can do this anyways. Some new qualities about the iPhone 8 Plus is their camera. Now, me and my brother, we were taking pictures with the phone, and this is one picture that he had took, and this is with the new camera, as you guys can see. And then we have this right here, and as you guys can see, this quality is just beautiful. It is freaking beautiful. And there's a lot of applications on the phone that come with the phone, obviously. It's something about GarageBand. You have your iMovie, you have your iTunes, and I download a bunch of stuff on my phone, so I just have like a bunch of apps. And you know, you have your usuals on there also, but for the most part, that's pretty much all that comes on this phone. Is this phone 100% recommended? I do recommend this phone if you have a 6S and below. If you have a 6S and below, I do recommend that you at least get a 7 or 8. I mean, like, why not? The quality is good. It's amazing. But I mean, like, your 6s, I mean, the 6s and 6S is perfectly fine, because I've had both those phones and I've loved each and every one of them. And yeah, for the most part, you know, it's pretty dope. It's dope. It's chill. It's chill. I'm rocking with it. And I love the glass backs. Just can't drop my phone. But for the most part, yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. So if you guys like this video, you guys can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if not, then you guys can hit the exit button. But whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video.